Okay, we've had the Buick running. We're gonna start it again here. There's a little bit of an engine knock, but okay, James, let her rip. Okay, that's running at idle. Well, we don't have the fuel pump hooked up. We're just using a gravity feed from that funnel that you can see. So we probably need to add more fuel now to make it run again. Yeah. So let's add fuel and we'll do it again. Okay, we've had the engine running on the 65 Buick Skylark. James is at the wheel. So we just added a little more fuel. So start it again, James. Whoop, out of gas. Well, we're just using that little funnel there, so we'll probably add some more and try it again.